The Pike Company is a mid-sized commercial construction company concentrating in the Northeast region. We'll do a lot of work in retail, commercial, healthcare, housing, a lot of work for college campuses, and it's one of the largest family-owned business in the nation.
American Additive Manufacturing is a 3D printing service provider just outside of the Philadelphia area. We 3D print everything from flyaway parts for the aerospace industry to jigs and fixtures for the automotive industry to prototypes for architecture. We really span every industry. Our business relationship with Pike Company started via a notification from the marketplace that we had a pending transaction request.
Really the nature of our department is building information modeling. We've used quite a few softwares to 3D model all the systems inside of a building. And the 3D model's good, you can spin it on the, the TV and the monitor, but having that actual physical object on the table is a huge benefit. In the 3DEXPERIENCE software, you can say send a 3D printing service, and that's where we found American Additive.
Very quickly, we're able to consult with them and help them arrive at decisions that enable them to get their architectural models and prototypes.
Having it pop right up on our computer screen, having them see what we're seeing and be able to collaborate in real time as we just completed this 3D building or object is a huge benefit.
That ease of communication and the streamlined transaction ensures that we're keeping a customer happy. The interface, the user experience is extremely user-friendly, and it's simple enough for someone like me who doesn't have a really technical background in CAD software to be able to communicate effectively with not only the customer, but my team.
They were able to produce 3D prints for us at the highest quality and fast turnaround time.
The great thing is that it's a universal language. Engineers from across the globe can communicate with each other through this platform. So we've been able to interact with companies overseas that we previously would not have been exposed to. So the marketplace essentially bridges that gap, and we're able to communicate in the universal language of mathematics and computer-aided design. So it's really an amazing platform, and we're thrilled to be part of it. It's become a key part of our plan for growth in the future.